Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you a whole bunch of new Planything products that are releasing on March 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. I have a lot to get through, so let's just start. First of all, Planything is releasing their first planners, which is so exciting. So I can't wait to show those to you. But let's just take a look at all the other stuff in this release. I did not get everything. There's also some washi tape that's coming out that is not going to be shown in this video, but I have most of the stuff. By the way, thank you Planything for sending me all of these goodies. I love all of them. The first thing I want to show you is these discs. Amber from Planything actually sent me a sample of each of the discs that are available. Some are metal and some are plastic. The ones that are metal are these ones. Look at the purple, isn't that pretty? And then these ones are the plastic discs. Each of these comes in a set of 8 discs. I have 2 sticker books here, Seasonal Houses and Seasonal Days. We're gonna get to these in a minute, but first let's take a look at these planners. Actually, let's look at the other stuff before the planners. This stuff. First up, we have 2 plastic covers, and these are going to match the sticker books. So this one is called Seasonal Houses, and this one is called Seasonal Days. And these are really nice plastic, and look at the inside of this. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are the fronts, and then that's the back. So cute. I love that little scene there. And these little illustrations, very nice. Those covers are $9.99 each. I also have some paper here. This is 50 sheets of dot grid paper. It is 160 GSM, so it's going to be nice and thick. Let's do a pen test. This retails for $12.50 for this paper pack. Oh, it feels so good. It feels nice and thick and smooth. So let's try a regular pen. Regular 𝘠𝘬𝘳 pen. This is what I use in my planner. We're just gonna write test. I'm sure it's not gonna go through the back. I mean, nope. And then let's try though a thicker one, just to see. I don't really see it at all. I don't see any ghosting. It doesn't seep through. I'm sure if we color hard with something it might, but let's try a Tombow. Because that sometimes will go through regular paper, and I don't see it. I do not see it. So this is really nice paper. And of course it's going to be the size of the planner, which is, let me measure it for you. Looks like 5 3/4 by 8 1/4. By the way, I do have an affiliate with Planything. I would appreciate it if you get inspired to purchase any of this stuff by watching this video. If you would use my link, that would help me out a great deal. So thank you for that. I also have a code, and the code is Bumble10. That's going to save you 10% off your order, and that really helps me out as well. So I have 2 sets of dividers here. And again, these are Seasonal Days and Seasonal Houses. Let's take a look. These are undated, so there's no months printed on the tabs. They are $12.50 each. They're made out of 300 GSM paper material. Let's check them out. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at these little illustrations. And each one is like a different season. I love that. Do you hear Bumble digging in her bed? Look how cute. Oh, there's a Bumble, except brown. Butterflies, XOXO. Look at these little animals, so cute. It says spring. The bunnies, how cute are they? Ice cream cart. And a beach scene, love that. Some palm trees there. Very cute. Let's check out these. This is Seasonal Houses. I love that. The water there. I just like the watercolory look. I think it's really cool. Look, it's even a little ghost house. I think this is a hint on some of the things that are going to be in the sticker book. Just saying. Ooh, I want to live there in that cozy house in the woods in the wintertime. Only if it's like kind of close to other houses, because I'd feel isolated and scared. But look at that porch. That's beautiful. All you need is love. A little brick house, a farmhouse barn with a little cat there. And this one, which we've seen before, really cute. And then a little hut. So lots of houses in lots of different places and lots of different seasons. Okay, let's look at the planners. Again, this is Planything's first planner release. I'm very excited for Amber. She's so sweet and she's really built her business up. So I'm excited that she is releasing planners. So this is that cover that you saw. So this is a 2024-2025 planner that starts in July and goes through the following July. So it is a 12-month planner. This one is the Seasonal Houses Planner. It's A5 size and it's 160 GSM paper, just like the filler paper. It has the laminated tabs, 8 plastic discs, and it's a vertical layout, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This retails for $42.50. So we have the calendar here. Oh, I love this, goals for the month of July. So here's the start of July. I really like this. This is like a little currently page. We have 3 boxes here and then 5 check boxes and then a bunch of dotted lines there. Here's the monthly view. I like this font. It's very simple and easy to read. On the monthly view, we have a bunch of dotted lines on the left-hand side for whatever you need. And then this is what your weekly layout is going to look like. So it's definitely different than what I'm used to, but I could see it really working well for some people. So it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday is down here. So this is your weekend section, okay? Because you usually need more space on the weekdays. So each day of the week you have 2 blocks, and then Saturday and Sunday you have 1 block each. You can also use this in a different way. Like say you wanted to just use 1 block for each day, and then you have all these extra blocks for whatever you need, whether it be lists or a section for goals or habit tracking or anything. You can use these for whatever you need, or you can use them vertically on the same day. So of course, this is very minimal so that you can decorate it as you wish. And then it goes into August. We have a dotted line section here as August begins, and then it's the same type of thing for August. So let's check out September. Again, we're always going to have this. I like this because it can be used for like a big long list, like a brain dump list for the month. And I think that's super useful because you also get this page for anything you need, you know, to track for the month or use it as a currently page or memory planning or whatever. So you've already seen these dividers, but I'm just going to flip through them real quick to show you them. January, February, March, April, May, June. And then let's look at the back part here. So you just have a note section in the back with extra lines, and then there's your back cover. Very cute planner. It's nice and small. In my opinion, this is a nice size. I'm used to the Happy Planner sizes where we have mini, and then bigger than this is the classic, and then the big. This is a nice compact size, but it's not like a Happy Planner mini. You know what I mean? So I think this is very portable and just a good size. So this one I think is going to be very similar. Is this a vertical? This one looks a little bit different. This one is the seasonal days. Okay, so that one's called a vertical layout. This one's called a functional vertical layout. Same size, same number of discs, same price, all of that, but the weekly layout is going to be a little bit different, I think. So let's check this out. We still have that goal section. We still have this page, and the monthly looks the same. Okay, so this is definitely different. There's less pages in this because Each week is on one smaller page. Okay, so here's your whole entire week, and then this is the next week. So if you're someone who does not need to plan a ton of stuff, if you're less busy, or if you just prefer like a smaller planner and just a more compact version of everything, this would work better for you. So it's going to be the same thing. I'm not going to show you all of the dividers because it's literally the same as those other dividers that we've already seen. But yeah, that's the seasonal days planner. So now let's check out these sticker books. First, let's look at the seasonal days sticker book. Okay, so we start out with winter. We do have these watercolory stickers here. This is on clear sticker paper. We have some ice skaters, some skis, all that kind of stuff. Very cozy vibes here. And you're going to get 2 pages of each, it looks like. Then we go into Valentine's Day stickers. We have a little merry-go-round. Look at this with the balloons and they're kissing behind it, I guess. We have that little puppy that we saw before, the girl having the time of her life. And then here's some butterflies on clear. I believe the sticker book is going to be all on clear except the boxes probably. And then remember that spring sticker book where we had some farm animals from Planything? Well, now here's some more farm animals and I'm all for it because I made that cute little farm spread and I loved it. Look at these bunnies in the basket. I just love these animals so much. They're so, I don't know, they seem so gentle, right? So cute. So then here's going to be the boxes. You're going to get 2 pages of these. Yeah, so different sizes of functional boxes. You're going to have some circles here and bullet points. And they're going to match the previous stickers pretty well. You're going to have different ones that match, but for the most part, they're the same types of colors. Okay, then we get into the spring. I think this is the spring. So maybe each one of these is a different month. Let's see. Let's see if it matches. January, February, March, April. I mean, it kind of goes. Let's see. Then this next one would be May, which is getting into summer. So they're definitely going in order in some way. I don't know if it's exactly month to month, but it's definitely going in order. We have a little camping vibe here. Very cute. And then we have some palm trees, like a beachy theme, like with the lifeguard stand, all that kind of stuff. I love the watercolor here. If we're following along month to month, this one would be July, which makes sense to me. Look at all those popsicles. Like they have fruit in them. They're so detailed and pretty. Little beachy outfits. Then this one would be August, I guess, with another camping theme. But this is definitely more camping than the other one. The other one was sort of more outdoor, but this is like tents and kayaks and all that kind of stuff. There's your boxes for those. Okay, I guess it's not really going month by month because this one would be September, which, unless I counted wrong, which anyway, pumpkins is more October, but isn't this cute? With this little car and all the pumpkins coming out of it. That's so fun. Or a little truck, I guess. We have your ghosties here. Actually, I guess September could be, the end of September could be pumpkins, right? And this is October. Your ghost, your pumpkins, looks a little spooky, but also friendly at the same time, which is good. This one would be November, I guess, with more darker fall colors, which feels more November to me. So that makes sense. And then December would be Christmas, of course. Look at that little bear. Oh my gosh. So cute. The little gifts, the scene. It's really fun. And then we're going to have some boxes there. And then here we have words for the seasons and for the holidays. Winter, summer, sunshine, Christmas, beach, Halloween, fall, autumn, snow, Easter, bloom, spring, sweater weather. 2 pages of those. They're on clear. And then other little quotes. I like these because they're small quotes that are going to fit into different like parts of your spread. They don't take up a lot of room, you know. There's just like mainly 2 words. Like winter vibes, beach days, love is in the air, Easter bunny, hello summer. So that is it. That is seasonal days. Very, very cute. Let's check out seasonal houses. I have all of the houses sticker books from Planything, and I always love them because it feels like I am creating a little scene in my planner, and I really like doing that. Especially in the dashboard layout, it just it feels right for scenes for some reason for me, especially in that like bottom left-hand corner. So here we have a winter scene with the houses and trees. And then we have these Valentine houses and trees. So cute with the little hearts on the trees. Little banner. Again, you're getting 2 pages of each, so you can use your favorite stickers, don't worry. And then here we have these little houses, these little brick houses with the little bushes. Some are purple flowers, very pretty. And look at the little fence, how cute. And then of course you're gonna get your farm. You have your barn here with all of your animals and a little cute fawn. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I said cute too many times already, but it is very cute. We have some boxes here. And then we go into more like the summer months with this cute little, I said cute again, with this little town. I want to live there. Look how pretty that is. I would like to live there in that little cute town. And then we go into like a tropical vibe. Actually, I want to live here too. Yeah. Maybe in that house by the water. That would be nice. Sounds peaceful, right? Then we go into more scene type stuff like the water and the sand, and you can pull these off and then put the houses wherever you want on top of them. Make a new land in your planner. And then we go into mountainous areas with little houses in the mountains. Boxes that match. Bumble is crying. Hang on a sec. Okay, Bumble is going to do the rest if they flip through with us because she was trying to get in and Heather is printing stuff out there making noise. So we're just going to continue with Bumble on my lap, which most of you like anyway. Let's see. So we have these fancy mansions here. I don't necessarily want to live in these. They seem cold to me. I like the idea of them, but I don't know if I'd be very happy there. I mean, maybe. And then we have Halloween houses and little ghosts and things. Pumpkins. More fall type houses. I love these little lights. They're so cute. There's always these little details like the bench and the little walls and stuff, so you can just put them together. I just like doing that. It feels like something from when I was a kid. I don't know what. Do you know what I mean? Maybe color forms, or I don't know. It feels like something where you just create a little scene on like a picture out of stuff. Maybe of stickers. I don't know. It just reminds me of when I was a kid. And then here we have wintry houses and trees, and then boxes, and then words on clear. Daydreamer, summer vibes, be wild and free, dream big, let it be, take me to the ocean. 2 pages of those. Summer adventure, celebrate, feel free, sweet November, smile more, warm memories, love, create, inspire, all that kind of stuff. We have 2 pages of those, and that is seasonal houses. So these are 2 very, very cute sticker books. And I am very excited about this planner release. All this stuff, again, is releasing March 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. I believe you're watching this on March 1st, so that's tomorrow, if you're watching it on March 1st. I think that's when I'm putting it out anyway. So yeah, check out these wonderful products. Again, don't forget to use code BUMBLE10. You will save 10% on anything shown here or anything on the site. So that will help you out a little bit. And I guess that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.